asamange bakere simbwe terasete namba chabo 0111161500. Oru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Ekeonga Technical Training Institute ni shule ambayo utaiaminia kwa masomo ya kiufundi kama vile Building and Civil Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Agriculture and Environmental Studies, Applied Science Department, Computing and Informatics, Modern and Full Equipped Library, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering Department, ambayo wanatoa viwango vyote. Na sasa usajili wa mwezi wa Mei unaendelea. Kwa mengi wapigie simu kwa nambari 0726588558 au 0708330000 au watembelee kwa tovuti ya www.ekeongatechnical.ac.ke. Kumbuka, hii shule iko kilomita 1.5 peke yake kutoka mji mkuu wa Ekeonga. Mlete mwanao leo ili apate manufaa ya elimu.
Vimat Hardware and Plumber Center ineduka enene iyekonia ebintu ao ebikiranu na ase amagoli amayakegema nkonia bale chicho echuchimanyikaine muna closed cables chichingencho ao na echekerero echuchikurwa ase chikambani ao na asamagoli amayakegema B-trap toilets boigo nkonia bale chiwash and basins chibirengo ao na kurwa ase chikambani ao mbabwate and wash cabinets chekerero chingi ya kirage na echibirengo bigoromono tibweba amagoli abonigo agukwana no mubuko, yani amagoli agukwana naye kegema nkoni bale shower mixers chekerero taps gusi ibitacho ebi ya kegema kurwasi company ao koni bale ebintu byechibafu gusi bathroom accessories bunabono towel racks, soap dispensers, tissue holders nebinde ebinge ebiya ensemo ya kitchen gusi chokone mbabwate kitchen sinks chibirengo ao echo chirosiri ekerero na kurwasi company ao na si chibirengo beigoro mono mbabwate gate valves, non-returns, water meters, foot valves, PPR fittings, HDPE fittings, edukebo igo nkoni bale IPS fittings, pressure fittings, GI fittings, ball valves nebinde ebinge mbabwate gutter fittings, PPR rolls na PTG gutters asensemu yende mbabwate waste pipes asebo igo bakoni chitanki chamache chibirengo ao asamaguri amaya kurwasi chikambani ao naboko batalera ase Ibere ya Kisii Kisomo mbarabare neduka ya watu asenchira ekogenda daraja 2 echiro gusobakire esimi ase enamba 0712242915 boigomba bwate urusagi ase ensemo ya Nyamira Vimad Hardware and Plumbing Center asamaguri amaya kera engaki.
Omwaka wa chiribu ikomi na kianda kero togoteba nga 18 AD gose 19 18 na 20 AD yani nkatoteba kero Yesu achirigoro nalio amangana kuruko chibando achagetkorekana ime yorogongo rwa Africa nogoteba nga aburi tangani omugusi nigo amenyete ase okoria emete gose emeri eyarenge amanyabwari nemyogo ondagera yomugusi na maemba naboigo obori bina byo mogusi arenge kolia ne Chinsaga nerinagu kero yemeyega yarenge chingaki chiri cyokwingata sengencho ye mbura etaratwa gosabantu batareburwa banta baiga akoroko gosaba gusia baiga igo barenge kolia endagere korokonga linagu litabekiri ebara barana romonyo osenare chumbi eyo mugusi arenge gotumeka chinga kimnecho no tabang na chibando ego chiarenge endagera yo moreno osomo Portugal kurwabo itangani chiarenge no Africa konende yachiko ikachinga kichia 18 19 20 century omoreno bali barenge korkwaba onchereria bagachaka konia ase engegu yenyancha yabo indi ngose Indian Ocean abu no abantu bali barenga batangani bachage tukubwatera gochaka kurigireringa endagereye na kibone gakare yange kobekwa chinga kimnecho konya chitinga chitaracha yo barenge gochisinyonta chiake anake bachikora obosie karo chiake anrake chiamanya kobekwa ensio norogena chiasiegwa egara chiamakoba endagera eyo nerotenga omugusi nkeya chakirete ento kende gyachete chinga kicho na matoke tarenge Africa egarenge endagera yabarabu komanyete bona yunkyanda ikomine karato kwarigania ngatokomanye Ekeonga Jumatatu tariki 14 umutinyo yiga okane omukoyo yiga goika ekarato kora karanso ikato kumanye sabayo manyererio akorokwa Wilson Makori chenkorokwa Mkate Enock aya narato kwariganirie ase Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere
kalinga yaya amaja tukora mukora tika turaveka egere tumoje kubagana cyose twanyura amache batokana apana mukona
abamenyi bomutie obosongo mbabwati amache aisaine nonya gusike manyire buna gutwara amache asobunge
ekingaro ke kanise koligerie sabantu bamenyete bamenyene environment yengia buno botongi bwa Nyasaye bagotebekana Nyasaye nabagoteba igo
ekyombe kyambazdas kurwa kanise Millennium SDA gokorobo chanu ase Chinsemo au imeyumu chubusongo
consideration shall give before this committee on the matters under this its consideration shall be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Waziri abachore an Cheptumo Geoffrey Ruku kounenkibwa bosiwe bunge NNM. Nonya emure nyinge gegotua ase orogongoro gusi chinsoko chinyinge chimanyikane tebna gusi nense yomondo ase embura enyinge egotua bagusi bakonywa amachikorwa chi company ao nigo ego manyikana gosegetembe litkolia lero nigekoro robot risene buna amache na kianete ase omochi obosongo enkorengana no roboti korwa ase company yegwasko itowa tebigwa mna omusakito Daniel Ontiri asangereria oroboti kurwa ase ensema y'umuchi obosongo na gutwariganiria oroboti origa
Kaunti ya Kisii nemo yichi kaunti merongene na isana Ibere iga Kenya yire ni chibunge kianda na yarolekanire gukina se chimbero chegoro kigima na monasa matoka bwangwiga ge uchumi wetira azo bonchirelia iyo egotumeka muno na bamenyi kurwa se county kiyonjo kanaine buna nonya bamenyi aso mocho bosongo bakonyora mache kurwa se company ya Wasco aso roboti rwabene Jumatatu ya lero nigoro yokogania kugotwara mache haisaine ase tauni ya Bosongo ubunencheremo yoko eneke buna county ya Kisii yagendire gukina Omosoiga w'emiaka yigato kurwa sensemo ya daraja moja ime y'omochobo songo nigo ari gati ya baria bagokerete gokea kwa mache oteba asare no mogoko na nigo akoirarie bagerio kobucha na konia mache asoma gongoteni gocha sebio siki au na biria beganetia mache gokore miremo obuya bwabeire bokoenekiwa ase nambenene yabasae asobo gatagati bw'omochobo songo abo bakorelekana na megongoteni kurwari tukairimo gocha serinde
mache taisa ni tauni ngima mache ngoikara sira munenga kiyembura mache tari bosongo
chikilomita chinkego kurwa somochobo songo aso busaki wegetaseni kya Getembe ase kenyero kyomoturumesi ime ya Kisii Central ase county ya Kisii abomenya bange nigo baboretigwe kubeka chipipe na kweruberia konyora mache ase myaka 3 ya etire nego ikekero tokogende mbeo tibanya kunyarora Melen ogendi kurwa nyaura negati ya walia batogolete chipipe akogacha chimita chabo ase chinyumba kubwatekana no gusiria ogosemeria gukonyora mache na sere gwetira sobonchereria wetinga yaye nige muketi getambukiro gyo kwegorera etangi asomokia bogotema gokeani umuchando bwa macha sinka yaye obware botari obotambe omugaka Naftal Ratemo nere nigo asiririo gosemeria gukonyora mache asegesieri kya korengana nechira chebarai na muno chingaki bakurigia ebirogo au otebono asare nechikoba emboli ekobugigita
abange nechira cy'obulimo bakoria ngorengia akweberisana kero tukumagara chikura kweberisana twaronga mu okwani byange tubeka lakini kero ya ikire ngabono nkogenda tulese isokora maganda se kenyoro abakongsa ikiagara tindo jinga ngokora bale munita kaire ko tindo chibo yewa mbali gokora kia ibintu ne binge bire bitarakora
umuchando yoyo nigorolekana asinka ya gatatu ya kane ne yende menge asogosemerio konene gwatigara ase serikali nene niria ye county kubatora chinyongo asomokieto bugoikera bateneri bechi sector au igoro y'omochando iga nigo twatumira ase turagendererie no mukia bugocho kwarigeneria oroboti igoro yenkwana yabo nemberoberio babegete yokoeneke buna omochobo songo otwarira macha isaine bunencheremo yokoeneke buna abamenyi boigo bagendere ko kerobo koreri bwa barai wiki kyegocha lituko nechenga kibune cyarero kernende ndacho kwarigeneria roboti rwa bene ngoroboterega seni kya Getembe korega sobo gatagati bw'omochobo songo ritrane ngoro kwa Daniel Untiri
Yamano Daniel Ontiri kurwa sensemeyo eyo nigo egotoira asiri bolio lirit kuria rero likobolia asirit kuria rero nga ine aiga gusi asomenyete amache nabore tor ine aiga gusi amache nabore to nonya gusi embre nyinge gutwa chinsoko ao chireti nyinge ine chiakamire ose nigo chire chinyinge iboli tkuria rero ndi tokoboringa ine amachi nabarete aiga asorai enseme yagusi etokanga Nyamirore netokanga Kisii netokanga South Mugirangore netoka North Mugirangore West Mugirangore amache nabarete asensemeyo anento bento ko amachi mne torikere asa 07 26 44 7367 0726 44 7367 Waigon na bogoturi keragwetera ase emitandao yaito ya Facebook Getembe TV na Waigon na bogoturi keragwetera ase mtandao oito o YouTube Getembe TV na FM egara tunyare kurika tunyare ko rigereria amangana okwana mache na borta senseme mache ga kaberekera ase enseme agusi paka tuenge kubwata chi suroche kwenda se sasati yange bitonto byarenge binge lakini ne ngakega amachi naborete usamachi nabantu kubura ase rogogorogusi terkera sekwetera se number 0726 44 73 67 wacha kanili tali yao asore kwa manyakorwa a comment yao bora rwe kerengel kiao nyo gusino bora itubwate nga macha gakogenda no bora ibwe binyoro abatureti baitase bale ba chief baitase bale aba assistant chief baito bale biratukinga emete siyasimike kurugabu terekere go chaka ni leta liao asore na boigo kwa makurwa e comment yao kereto ko andilia kabere ni gotokonyora nga obochenu na kolende bintu bito itanaine negento obwenete kolenda aye asore tukolia rero aba Ekeombe kiabasae abake bali chiskuru gosege korokunga ambassadors be kanisa ya Adventist Millennium yoli tukolia rero bakora obochenu ase okuobusa omuchi obusongo abwase babolirie nyagitari so nyagitari kurigirelia ase chinyagitari chigutuguta chiubi cyabo osese bosambera chiubi cyabo musakito dipon asanya nigarenge asensemeyo nabanabo na kurigirelia elimo asedinde na gutwarigerelia roboti origa.
We are cognizant of the environment as young people, and we are also aware of the global issue of climate change.
Ekeombe kiaba ambassadors kurase kanisa ya Millennium ya Adventist meye county ya Kisii. Itukulia rero nigebeso kya nagochena orochoro nene rotukeme yomo chiobo songo Chinsa cha masosa unenchera yomo yokolenda ebintu biribito etanaine.
My name is Gloria Masita. I am an ambassador from Millennium SDA Church, and we've decided to do this project so that we can create a conducive environment for the people living around here.
We have a long-term plan of adopting this small river. This river begins from Stage Miwa all the way to Darajambili. So as a church and as a group of young people, we have a long-term plan of adopting this river so that we keep on monitoring the way it is being, observed in terms of sanitation and health.
Ekotwa mweterero nga tokore gasiga ya outreach na bana baiga ekyagara na libona to bwata during the holiday. Na ende ekarutware konya kubanga na work plan. We planned about the outreach ekaraba urochenga environment yaito ya beirembe ya tiringiru ne chindo chetetega gaiga nonye obochafu obonge no boko kubwagenda guchya
gusangana barwe nigo bairanga kali etugoyoka ekonyoro mochando kurinde nonya mwanya bantu nigo bakomerana na marwire asobotumeki bwa machatali amaya.
We'll take care of the rivers that we have, because dumping waste into the rivers, it doesn't only affect the animals living in the rivers, but it also affects us in general. And this project is just to create a conducive environment and also to create awareness to the people living around here that we should care for the rivers around here.
Semuna yue Ekeombe kyo bono nigo kegenderete gotarira abantu wika asebinyoro.
We also do outreach ministries where we get to reach out to people who are in need. So we can walk to people's houses and preach to them also, and also help them where we see there's need.
Umurubiri yoiga bakurwa wa nagati ya babwatani kurwa Ekeombe kyo musarabu mubaliri meye county ya Kisii. Nikubona babolire ewizara yobochenu kurigerelia ebifa byanyagitali ebyo byakolire kokole miremo kubekwa asaga ya kolindetalia sokotukutwa anenase chindoche.
I would like to urge the Department of Ministry of Health in our county to make sure to have a better place for disposal of these syringes. These things should not come from hospital. It should be taken at hospital. When a patient being discharged from hospital, these things will be left there, not to community.
This region here, we have so many health workers, including clinicians, including laboratory assistants, and many more others. It is our advice that they should have proper systems of disposing such important medical wastes. They should not be found themselves as well dumped in this area.
Ekarabako bitume kabamanyanga ibako bitugutagochya tibako bibeka ndonsi asabantu bagweta bose ase dumping site buna bono gandoche amacha yango tumikara abantu bande ngo sibe bali cyanga roche gaiga abantu bande ngo etabare nonyana abana bayitabe bigori ebike konyorora abana bagoswa roche maiga karaki abana paka maiga ngo swa barenge bako ntimbororo bono nyore baumire kisindani bunechi abakonyora abana baumire.
Abantu bono nigo baboliwe kurenda ebintu biribito etanaine asenchira yamo yo wetangamo namarwire chingaki baikirania omurobiri obugosimeka emete asu Chinsa mechyo.
the people around here so that they do not dump their wastes in water, so that they find proper ways of disposing their wastes. And also, if we have very low sewage systems that are not properly working, we can have them uplifted, we can have them repaired, so that we can be able to have proper systems of channeling their sewage from their home states into the right place of dumping.
We should have a lot of partnership, and our people should be cooperative. Know that having a good environment is even entitled in our constitution, that having a good environment is your right.
Kuripotera kitaseni kia obwanchite kia Getembe kuroiga se kaunti ya Kisii ilitiria na inkuru kwa dipon asanya.
Biamano dipon asanya singencho yoroboti ururia ekero gwatwariganire abana bo bakeko bawukina bamanyi gusimekemete ko sibya chindoche naboyo kwenekianga amazingira ose bintu bitetainane mbiyabire korwa ase ensemeyo chi SMS chen nabo chiandata go cha sobonge nande go chisoma tori chonsi korengana bunandoche mochibegete korwa bo ekero ndoche abantu abagandira gutuma chi SMS naboigo nabono bateba ngaiga nyamataro ntwanya koramache obadi Ekeonga ontenga nande ninganchite ngencho ogotumanyia naki asetorwete nekitogandrate. I think I love you are an historian history kwango kara ja geography na korete kini ayunkianda ikominga aba waziri baria ba beta nominated koba aba waziri Geoffrey Ruku naboigo ana Cheptumo nigo baika sirit kuliarera sebunge nene koligererigwa na kulingoligwa simbachi kanyara ko ba ebirogo biri baetwe byo waziri bya okoba obukodri bwa serikali nabo igo kirigi agenda itkuliarero ase ebunge enene.
And you will recite the oath that the sergeant will hold for you.
I
move closer to the mic so that it's recorded.
Thank you. I, Anna Wendot Cheptumo, do swear that the evidence I shall give before this committee on the matters under its consideration shall give before this committee on the matters under its consideration shall be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Thank you. You may take your seat and sign to the oath. Yes. Name, then tell us if you are Christian, Muslim, or Hindu, or none of the above. Then you will have to take an oath on the holy books there or through affirmation, as the case may be.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. My name is Geoffrey Kariuki Kiringa Roku. I'm a Christian.
So you'll take an oath on the Bible?
Yes.
So you may be upstanding. Hold the Bible in your right hand. Raise it and recite the oath.
I, Geoffrey Kariuki Kiringa Ruko, do swear that the evidence I shall give before this committee on the matters under its consideration shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Take your seat and sign to the oath. honorable members and members of the media, for the record, Geoffrey Ruku is a sitting member of parliament. He's a colleague to all members of this panel, and he's been sitting and continues sitting in the chamber with them. That notwithstanding, members will ask you incisive questions.
Dr. Abel Kanyaru yore oyomo wa director ase factory ya Itumbe nigo abori ba director mande kubwatirana nabaremi erigo kinia ekemeri giechae. Dr. Kanyaru niga tebire buno bono ega asabantu bari basimigete usabane bari bechae barasensemeyo nigo basemeri kwabo konena kore ase ekemeri ekyo.
Ubuyo tokoba on time. Wacha mapema aende ubuyo buya. Oroje. Lakini mwana ubobe mbolinga into director into kogora ubuyo bokoba ordered from KTD headquarters na ubako genda ngumbu baje korro ubuyo buya no bobe igo intwe ntore tayari o push directors to push KTD to ubuyo mapema elia gatatu quality mero tutagete tuasukire ko nyamache asukire kuru namba ko 60 yaikire namba 40 Tumbe tunanya sukikoru 40 egende 30 waigura igo bono oyinara magendero tutagitako ekende abarimi bana abatagete factory ya Itumbe yetenenere kurwa sinyama bono iga twakwane n'abarimi bakorera igoro ya quality bafinywa barete ichaire quality twiwananire na bitakeire quality nero tutagete package ya tebengia pakase Mombasa koniwa manganande twari gukwanira nigoro gosemia barimi kubatebia nga biashara byetu byecha imbiri bya na buna bire na bora nyore nga ngakie gocha ntubwati bona singia toko abarimi asengenje cha yaitu yabeire gutwara emesukasuko asobonia igaba abarimi baito mwaboria mangana motaraji goteba nga igwa nga aba director basari mwabuguri twabatebi bono iga ninyi weta bande bagukwana na iwe radio mulimi yo mogota nga aba director mo kora ki meeting kinyinge mwa wekire expenditure ya beire igoro amangana ye ki meeting igo chigokorwa kulingana no mupango bekire na KTDA igebekire togokora ki meeting ikomi aso mwaka kwa 12 anyikire iguru kabisa.
Senkwane ya Dr. Abel Kanyaru na yarekoteira asenkwana ilitko kurwabo kugandatere karoteira nisi.
Ngakia egete to chandegete tutabwati macha ne community kebe kamo tukachanga US kilo montale kuru 15,000 tukatwachanga twanyanga US tukagenda kuota mate tukabatebia ntatu mutwe permission tuko kongusama chantu amache swa kusindo kora asalang rumosi kilomita tuyarusha tuyaleta kretwayaleta tukabatebia muto bekere gosina mutwali gundi tukagiji gundi kitu tukabakana bakaka twabakana bono tukabeka maji lakini turabika tukabakani ngaya amaja tukora mukora tutika turabeka egere tumoje kubakana chibese twanyura maji watukani ngapana mukona igoto kanacha kretwana cha krebawa tukamache amacha kagenda sabantu bakke nabane ntwanyo
Commissioner Lucy agoteba buna Mkate engusi itorera kinya mache une story story for another day tokonyara gukwana go and then osoro kumukuru kiarene ntubwati mache ka kitokonye Diuk Mariga agoteba nga na Grace kurwa nyamakoro togesima intwe ntubwati mache Jacqueline kurwa Kisii Town ebona mache nabolete kurwa Sensemega oya kuruka Dominic Onchoka kuruna kuru South Mugirango mache tayo kenyoro Smart Boy Humphreys Orabi on tebing from Nyabisabo mache tayo pi tubwata mache kegati but we do not benefit as we share olders umunyalibali tokonya. Thank you my brother. And then Evans Nyakunde Nkomwembe mache tayo pi is just a cheat kulimubuoka bunakana kurugabo nyaboke kurwa nyabyosi maji iko kwa wingi bandabutika baganda roche and then Evans Mangera kurwa bubulia ime ya Kemero Ward machi tayopi hi GTN this is Frank kurwa babasi seito amachi taboleti amachi na mange. Thank you my brother. Benjamin Omoyo awataba atabanga para ya bono ne binte byare na intuitorasa nga Benjamin kwali ke story etobugate tali mangane chipara tole gotora mangana ya machi. Stephen Mariga korwa gianchere togo sabo mu MC ito boyi okeumbu atoroserie keitata no water at all almost for a month now from Embassy Nyamataro Obadia Ekeonga. Thank you my brother. And then Hero Machora kurwa mogweko chiduka aigasita mache nigo arekerase mpaka chipara ugoeta mache nigaichirukusi Jared kurwa liaga chuba Kisii County Bochoroke mache nabolete buna egesima kiale metu skuru ya nyali yacho ya kore miaka 15 totana kunywa mache aya. Joshua Munguru Shmal ontebi kuranya tieko tuwaboli kore ya mache then ya mache naro nare onyachae mpake bitacho bine Benson kurwa onyachae keumbu kwa ndani gosoma chi SMS chino nechi nyinge unatoka kurugabo tiatogenda mutimo komosinini tokoirana kubwati tore ngana kyokoyanda kenda gotegerera Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills elikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye chugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia aye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochkunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumucho yigo busongo iyo erangene ye duka ya Safaricom. Mwigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank. Asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Ohuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Ibaraza y'abagavana nigo baereire mechando bagwetera ase county cyabo anana gwikirania amaganio y'abamenyi be county cyo nigo baburirie ekamati eriye budget comment kibesa ngo cyase county au iriyo keneke nga baba korire abananchi amagenderero.
Governments I can confidently say that we have no hand whatsoever in the matter that is in court with regard to national CDF. That one, it's not sponsored by the counties. But on RMLF, I want to state here that we believe counties, since we have county roads that we're supposed to maintain, we definitely require to be supported in terms of the fuel levy that is actually collected from the counties, and we have the county roads which are supposed to be maintained. So the matter that is in court really is to get an interpretation from an independent arbiter, since we didn't agree with the National Assembly.
The other matter that I wanted to comment on is the matter of the CHPs. The matter of the CHPs, as the chair has said, counties give 2,500 and national government also gives 2,500. But this is a devolved function. So what we agreed that this should be a conditional grant to counties so that counties pay the CHPs. Because this idea of having national and county, it confuses the CHPs. So they say the national is bad, the national is good, the county is bad. Yet, as we sit here today, the last capitation, the last equitable share that we received was for January. And we are in April. So national government probably have paid the CHPs until April. But us, we have not even received the money since January. So that is why we want it to be a conditional grant, so that the CHPs, they are under counties and counties receive them.
Karatu akore roboti urokorwa ase baraza y'abagavana nigo tokuba bosemi bwa Getembe tukwirana tutandelea.
Magaga ninjo, ninjo Getembe, ninjo dorome, ninjo mangana mazu, ninjo bangina ninjo.
Otire bwatera abo enyaga enkenchirere. Eye ne nkwana irwete kuruso mu machogo musweta, oyo mutire no mwabanyaga enkaba n'abakanyimbo. One ne nkwana gutworoka ngatiga tuyugwane tobe no kuyigwana okuye stole n'abantu baminto, eriyere n'abandi babekioroka eriyekiya. Otire bwatera abo wenyaga enkenchirere. Abatire baraba mwamuti ebare nyumba yo mwisikene yo mumura bono baraba mwamu nende bayigwana ine otire bwatera abo enyaga enkencherere enkwana yeke usia batosomina gatuyibwana abantu baminto nende tumanyane
Magaga ninjo Getembe, ninjo dorome, ninjo mangana mazu, ninjo bangina ninjo.
Akarigote Mkate Chinsa cheo changire masengenche yo went korugabo ando timoke oche Chinsa inye lakini ndarachi gukora korugabo Lilian na mokogoti antebinga Mkate na nintu no third floor gaiga kinyozi asokugingirwa mati no na ito gutumeka ase kinyozi otokugura ase rigori riegoro. Thank you. And then oyo nde chi SMS ne chinyinge chiriga ya kamaranje ninge terebere sato Alex otwabe brangi. And then Muguche hapa maji mingi ni kuliko watumiaji. Getembe yo Jackson Musigisi, Jason Musigisi gachua ward tinanye kuigobu na mache abudire gusiya gachubo mate na ase guche kweta gobono na bota abetumanya. Angela, ukweli hapa Muturume si tuko na shida ya maji mingi sana. Natumia pesa yangu mingi sana kwa kanjo. Mtu wa kanja anakuja anaomba ongo eti wakuingishie maji hapo Mkate. umelipa pesa kwa ofisi, unangoja anapita hivyo, nimetumika 35,000 na hamaji hakuna. I think I love this, Angela. That is a very big concern. Anta roskoronya chichi roche rwario sese igoro tagogete igoma chitayo. Bone binogo tabanga none chindoche chinke bitacho mbibwati mache. Koruriancho gutatabetiria taria onyancha motaroki amaliba okay. Maliba gaichir para ngoratoro seri ase amache agotoka. No water nyakora Chen Charles Lavi from Marani, water is in plenty. Abe Marani bagote abakurugabu kura magwagwa amatu bwata yasobonge agana horizontal yetete nyaboke kijauri hakuna maji for real. And then this is kurwa maji kwa wingi, and then agara arama kurwa lemwembe Kisii town maji kwa wingi sana maitio yoga kiaote aba. Jackson Samoka kurwa irondi MCA Birongo ward mobungo ito bakolega singia amache ne para nestima iko sawa nganjira chi SMS ne chinyinga lakini ntoko nyara kogenderera asingencho ebiro byeito kolengana muna naegwa bono iga tiga nkorerega iga chigeka chinsainya ninkora terabuna atekere korwa chinsemo ao che ime naisko yagusi Madam Zipora korwa chinsemo chatabaka. Thank you too, because you are watching us on the Mkate ndutora asari goro lakini amachirende igotokoligia nobo ngaini kugora chitangi twa harvest amache. Thank you because of that. Oinge kunganchira nabongo tigera gabu ngiche Chinsa inye olia sensemo imanyiro Wilson Makori dipon asanya amonto korokwa nere Polycarp Okara Fat God Gesimba Daniel Ontiri Gabriel Obaye nabonsi abutobwatira na bunabono Kate Chinsa isano Ibere naboigo ototo nero kwaligania amaya ega Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere mwensi naba yabole katanga tata numuya na baba numuya onsi naba yambitache bire boke mbinto biko baranko ba tata mugoko chenkoro na baba mugoko ochige kuba Chinsa inye naro notrega kuruko Mkate Enock.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati rolling mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achebwirigirie amabati ande omsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate etime tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingencho ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia aye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochkunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumucho yigo busongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eywere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores. the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Ne noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe. Nubote